Hi everyone, this is Meir. Less tired than yesterday, very, very excited. Today was my 6th and final day of my 6-day I class. Many people came for a day or two and still loved the class and felt that they got a lot out of it. In the first day we talk about the 9 principles of natural vision improvement, which include relaxation, expansion of the periphery, looking at detail, looking at a distance and having more blood flow to the head. And we also talked about the great potential that the body has to improve, the eyes have to improve. And many people told me that they already were desperate about their eyes until they came to my course. That all changed. And then we worked on overcoming errors of refractions like nearsightedness and farsightedness, astigmatism. And then we talked about steaming the eyes and working with them together. That was a bit more difficult and emotional for many people, but it worked just fine. The 4th day, we talked about overcoming pathology of the eyes, like getting more blood flow to help problems of the retina and glaucoma and others. And the 5th day, we had a night walk, which is so wonderful. And that's when I called you already tired from a whole day, but so excited. Today, some of the people who were in the class measured their vision. Many of them said that they don't even want to because the vision improved, and they don't really want to take part in measuring it, because they already saw throughout the 6 days that it can and does improve. Well, but those who did measure them, there were 17 of them, and 15 improved and 2 did not. That is a wonderful ratio, which I have again and again. 15 improved and 2 did not improve. It was a big class. It was a challenge to teach sometimes. But one of the things that are challenging these days is the fact that most people don't understand that new visual habits, ones that make the eyes softer and function better, can change one's life forever. Also, that many things in our environment are not friendly to our eyes. For example, in the United States and Canada, North America, 100 million birds die every single year colliding against tall buildings and airplanes. And guess what the reason is? The reason is the amount of light pollution that we have. It changes all the glandular function of our body. I'm announcing right this message that we need to compensate for that pollution by also being in the dark. And many of us destroy our immune system and glands by not being enough in the sun. Here I am in a hot country where we have 85 Fahrenheit, 90 Fahrenheit every day. It's wonderful to swim in the sea. And when the sun does not bother me one bit, and those in my class that were bothered by it at first stopped being bothered within the 6-day period. So adjusting to nature, being a part of nature, embracing it can make a difference. And accepting that a lot can be done for us can make a difference as well. As all of you know, when I was talking about my wonderful client, Fanny, who was sick by a disease that should have killed her at the age of 8, basically motor neuron disease, similar to ALS. And now she's in her 30s giving motivational speeches all over Hungary. You can know that what's considered to be impossible is quite possible. So, I'm happy to wrap up my time in the Holy Land. From here, I'm going to go to Rome and to Frankfurt, and we'll be glad to send you messages from there. Many blessings to all of you. Meir.